EA's official error guide mentions unknown errors in Battlefield 6 under the general connection and matchmaking issues category, but doesn't list a precise 8509S code. EA Help, some forum users suggest that the error may be caused by backend or server-side entitlement, connection sync issues in addition to local network settings, EA forums. So the error is not well documented by EA yet, but user data points toward DNS network/client sync problems. Suggested fixes for error 18509S. Try these in order. Many players found success in steps 1 to 3. Or 1. Reset DNS has use standard public DNS. Go to settings, network and internet, your connection, Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Under DNS server assignment, change from manual, custom, encrypted to automatic. Obtain DNS automatically. Alternatively, use Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS, IPv4 DNS 8.8.8.8, 8.8.4, IPv6 DNS 2001 4860 486 8888, 2001 4860 486 844. Save changes, flush DNS via command prompt admin. You can see the code in our conversation history. Restart PC and try Battlefield 6 again. Many users report this solved the 8509S error immediately. EA forums. Disable or remove encrypted custom DNS, DOH, VPN. If you're using DNS encryption, DNS over TLS, DNS over HTTPS, or a VPN DNS filter, AdGuard Home, Pi-hole, Mullvad DNS, etc., turn it off temporarily. These filtered DNS services are a known trigger for this error in BF safe forums. 3. Repair, re-verify game and anti-cheat. In EA app or your platform, go to Battlefield 6, Manage, Repair. For Steam, properties, installed files, verify integrity of game files. Reinstall or repair EA anti-cheat manually in the BF6 installation, the SCORE installer EAAC. Restart PC and retry. And 4. Reset network stack, WinSock, IP, etc. In an elevated admin command prompt run, you can see the code in our conversation history. Then restart your PC. 5. Check firewall antivirus overlays. Make sure Battlefield 6 EA app and EA anti-cheat are allowed through Windows Firewall, private and public. Temporarily disable third-party antivirus security suites and test. Turn off overlays, Discord overlay, GeForce Experience overlay, Steam overlay, etc. 6. Ensure secure boot and TPM and UEFI are enabled for anti-cheat. Although 8509S is more network connection related, some users link errors to anti-cheat checks that require secure boot enabled. Enter BIOS UEFI, ensure boot mode equals UEFI, secure boot equals enabled, TPM 2.0 enabled. If your disk is MBR, convert to GPT with MBR2 GPT if needed. And 7. Reinstall, refresh EA app and clear cache. Exit EA app. Delete EA app cache, sent program data, sent EA desktop, except shared folder, sent app data, sent EA, etc. Reinstall latest EA app, launch Battlefield 6 again. 8. Wait, try off peak times and retry. Sometimes this error is caused by server-side congestion or back-end propagation delays of account data. Wait some time, a few minutes to hours, and retry.